Wow, this is sick. This is a mini pig cafe. Yo, chat, this is a mini pig cafe. No, we gotta go. Oh man, you see this? You see that? Puzza, thank you so much for 4 months.
Disappointed you just resubbed for 4 months. Touch the furry wall.
Touch it right now. Touch it all. Yo, it's a mini pig. Okay, we gotta come back here. Mini pig. Yeah, mini pigs are a lie. Let's just start there. They're just baby pigs. They all grow up to be big and giant. Mini pigs, there's no such thing, chat. There's no. Okay, don't get me started. Whoa! What the fuck is that man doing? Hi, man. You don't have a sign. Wait. What man is this? Johannes Brahms. Who the hell is Johannes Brahms? Yeah, I want to. Oh, hi, Egyptian. A garden home crafts. They do in America. Oh, that sounds cool. We'll do it later, chat. Y'all want me to get some pigs now? What is this, marriage? Okay. Let's just sit here for a bit. Let's give me some, you know, that is the KFC guy. No way, you're lying to me. There's no way that's the KFC guy. Johannes is bronze. Fuck. Oh, funny. Rent a mini stall with decorations and pay by the hour. A streamer cafe. Johannes was a German composer, pianist, and conductor of the Romantic period. Damn, that sounds romantic. Some mini pigs are underfed and malnourished to make them smaller. That's so sad. You're telling me that they underfeed them? Oh my god. They're like the models of the pigs. You get it? Because models don't eat, so... Okay, that was bad. No. Okay, so I'm thinking, right? One day, we save up enough money. We go through a whole thing where we open our own cute business cafe thingamajig. You know what I mean? And then I can stream that too. I was thinking about it. I was thinking like, what's next for us? And we travel the world, we learn things, then we open our own cute business.
$15. It's a beautiful day, and honestly, because of your content, I will be happily booking a flight from USA to not mainland, but to Naha, Okinawa.
It's a beautiful day, and honestly, because of your content, I'll be happily booking a flight from USA to not mainland, but to Nah. Oh yeah, Oki's awesome. Oki's really cool. But there's no, not IRL streamer house full of girls you pick up, chat. Oh my Jesus. I just have that kind of mindset. I don't know, like, what's next? Yeah, I was thinking what's next for us. Like, we travel the world, then we set up our own cute business cafe thing, and then you guys like help me through that, starting our own like cute little business or something like that. You know, yes or no? Open a sim cafe so e-girls can come pets. That's already a cuddle cafe. Stop, chat. Don't fucking kill me. It's Monday. Don't kill me. Open it. Chat. Bad joke. Hookah cafe? Wiener. Beach bar and restaurant. Sorry, you on your own with that. That would be the weirdest cafe I've ever seen. A cafe where you get girls' instas. And then they give you the restaurant instas. Good days, good life. Feels like we're in like the middle of Europe. It's kind of cool in the street. This is fun. We wait till Wednesday. Sunday, Monday. Always opening kissing booths. I don't think that's allowed nowadays. I don't think we'll have kissing booths anymore. I don't think that's a thing. Should we keep walking? Sorry, Chad. I'm just taking rest because I think I have a stomach ache. I think I'm getting my period. So, let me check my period app, chat. Very important. clue. Oh yeah, I am getting my period. I was like, why is my stomach hurt so bad? Oh my god, chat, it's my period. Oh my god, chat. It is period time. Congrats. Congrats, chat. We're not pregnant. Except we would need to have intercourse to be pregnant. So it doesn't matter anyways. Sorry. Oh, you just tuned into me saying period? Welcome. 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 I'm so happy you're tuning in just in time. What is it? Oh my god, Cosmic, thank you so much. Thanks so much for hosting me. How's your stream? Jesus. Hit every fucking bush. Yo, how's your stream? Was it fun? Was it fun? Cosmic, did you have lots of fun? What did you do? Did you enjoy the cosmic stars? The cosmos? Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I just talk a lot. I swear. Arshoya. A Daiso. Let's go up here. Let's be in cool cafes. Have you ever seen cafe? Should we go to the... No, we can't blow through every single... Oh, this is a quiet zone. What the fuck is a quiet zone? Why is there such a thing as a quiet zone? Where the fuck are we? Why is it quiet? What the hell's a quiet zone? What? Is this a university? Oh god. Oh. Do you hear that beeping? What the fuck? I don't even know where we are. Uniqlo. I don't know what kind of psychological warfare. Yeah, I think it's a lot of walking. I think it's just because of walking. They walk a lot here. Cause like the food is crazy. Yo, is it just... What beeping? Perfect Australian streamers quiet zones. No, it's a chirper thing. I think it's a chirper thing. All I hear. Yo, it's IKEA. Oh my fucking god, chat, it's IKEA. Yo, am I fucked or something? What's wrong with my ear? Is it one of those things that they put in to scare people away? IKEA. Oh my god. Chat, IKEA. IKEA. Oh my god. It's a whale. Do we need it? Do we need a shark? No, right? Nobody needs a shark. Okay. This could be us, but you playing. Sorry, I don't know why. Let me just leave. IKEA. Goes into IKEA, buys the whole place. Yo, do we need a stool? Because I think we need a stool. Oh, this is your first time? I'm sorry. That was like the quickest first time. You want me to show you IKEA? No, it's kind of... This is a small IKEA. I don't want to show you this one. This one's too small. Segment, it's called exploring. Don't be a cop, man. We're just exploring Tokyo. Like... Okay, like literally. Just have fun, guys, okay? Yeah. IKEA, I only